Let me show you how to get that glossy glass skin eye makeup without looking crazy and pair it with clean natural brows that frame your face perfectly. Even if you're a beginner, no stress, no confusion, just step by step. Let's get in. Hi loves, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this glossy eye wet eyeshadow look and also how to achieve a detailed eyebrow tutorial routine that looks natural but polished. This is beginner friendly, so take your time and follow me step by step. First off, you want to prep the skin, and today to achieve a glossy wet eyeshadow look, I am using a concealer as my base, and the concealer is from the LA Girl concealer, and I'm using a flat brush, okay, to apply that. One thing is that you want to blend it properly and very well, okay? So I'm using my other finger to just extend the eyelid up so that everywhere will be properly blended. When I'm done with that step, I go in with my spoolie brush, which is the mascara wand spoolie brush. This is a spoolie brush and it's also called a mascara wand brush. It's used to brush the hair on your brows, okay? And while I'm done with that, I went in with my angle brush from the Miracle Cosmetics. One thing about brows is that brows help every part of your face to come together, okay? Brow helps the face to be properly shaped. When I'm done with the mascara wand brush, the next thing I do is to outline the brows. I started from the down. That is where I usually focus on. I focus on the down part of the brow. Draw the brows gently and light-handed so that in case there's any mistake, I can always go back and correct. When I'm done doing the down, I do the up, and then when the shape is in place, I go to the next brow. Like what I'm doing now, I'm just gently outlining the brows, okay? I'm just doing this gently. Whatever you do on top, you take your time and then you also outline the top. So it's important that you frame your brows first, okay? You outline your brows. It's very important. It just helps to frame your brows properly. You can see how I'm going light-handed and I'm doing this gently. And then when you do this carefully, you will not make any unnecessary mistake that will ruin the entire shape of the brow that you are trying to achieve, okay? And then when I'm done with that, you can see on this other part of the eyes, I am filling in the brows light-handed. I am forming an artificial stroke. I'm just filling in lightly. And these other brows that I have not filled, you can see the difference between the one that I fill in and the one that I did not fill in. You can see how our brows is not just looking the same, but it's looking well filled from the inside and well shaped, okay? I do not just do one type of brow for everybody. I follow your face shape because for every face shape there is a brow that go with it, okay? For every face shape there is an eyebrow that go with it. So I follow your face shape. And this particular friend of mine, she love her brows to also be bold. So I just follow through her natural brows. As you can see, I didn't take off from the brow. What she had before is what she still had. All I did was define it properly, okay? Follow this step and trust me, your brow game is going to be top notch, okay? Please do well to subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. They need to pay money to subscribe now. The funny thing is that sometimes you might feel you have subscribed to a particular channel, but no, you've not. Just check again, Check again. Next off is that as soon as you are done doing your brows, always make sure you highlight with a concealer, okay? This also helps to define your eyebrow properly. When I'm done with one part of the eyes, I went to the other part of the eyes. Okay, make sure both eyes are properly well concealed and well highlighted. And the highlighter shade I used was a shade brighter than our skin, not two shades. I used a shade brighter than our skin because I want the skin to still feel like skin. Okay, just be gentle when it comes to your brow application. When it comes to defining the brows, be very careful so that you don't also mistakenly ruin what you've already shaped down. When I was done with the concealer application, I used a fluffy brush to just gently blend all of the concealer. After every concealer application, you need to apply a powder to calm it down, okay? A powder helps to calm it down. A powder helps to further define it. As you can see, I'm using a powder from one of my Nigeria powder palettes called the Lavender. This powder palette remains one of my favorite powder palettes, okay? And it's a Nigerian browns. You can see I'm just blending gently, and then the nose area where you already contoured, what you can do is take a shade of that powder and apply at the beginning of the brows to create that natural look, okay? The beginning of your brows don't need to be too bright, okay? So you need to create that artificial shade on the brows. This tip right here also helps your brow to look more natural, okay? And then I also take that powder and apply on the crease. It is time for your glossy eye makeup tutorial, okay? So I started off by applying this brown shade from the Honest Beauty eyeshadow palette, okay? And I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. Just follow through. It's an easy process. Oh yes, it's important to apply powder under your eyes, which is also the baking process. This helps to also protect your eye makeup tutorial so that any fallout of eyeshadow on the face, you can gently sweep it off when you are done with your eyeshadow tutorial, okay? So now I went back into the Honest Beauty eyeshadow palette and took this dark brown shade and apply at the outer corner of our eyes, because even though we are going for a glossy wet eyeshadow look, she wanted the outer corner of her eyes to be dark. So this is also a requested look, and that brings me to dishing out this tip for you. No matter how carried away you are with your clients or with your friends, please do well to give them what they ask for, which is do well to make them smile after their makeup section. Oftentimes, I usually hear people say, oh, I can't meet my friend to make me, oh, I cannot allow my colleague to make me, or because they will not give me what I want. No, that is not good. Okay, so if you have someone, because she's a makeup artist, yes, she is a makeup artist, so this look is highly requested and she know what she wanted. So all I did was give her what she wanted and exactly how she wanted it, okay? As you can see, for eyeshadow application, it's important that you take the product and you dab gently on the eyelid properly. You blend, blend, blend. Blending is your cardio as a makeup artist. Blending is key. Now it's time for a glossy eye look. I'm so excited about this part, and I'm going in with this highlighter from Fenty Beauty. This two highlighter is called How Many Carats and Candy Cogna. So I'm going to be mixing those two highlighter. Guys, I know you did not see this part coming, man. This is a very, very important part. See, check out that glow on my hands. See, have you ever tried using a glow as your eyeshadow? If you have ever done it, let me know in the comment section and let me know what it felt like. Let me know if you love it, because I am so loving it, and this is gradually becoming one of my favorite eye look. In fact, I'm going to recreate another type of glossy look. If you want to see another type of glossy look, just let me know, because I've been doing this lately and I'm loving it, okay? And let me leave you with this important tip, okay? Don't drag, just tap, tap. Dragging will disturb the eyeshadow underneath, which is the matte you've already applied underneath. So don't drag, just tap, tap, tap. And if you are not comfortable with applying highlighters like this, you can also use a high shine shimmer eyeshadow instead, okay? And it will still give you this wet look without the stickiness. But trust me, oh, check out, if you see this on ground, it was so beautiful. Looking at it now, no filter, like zero filter. Check out that shine on the eyelid. Okay, so guys, as you can see on this video, if you are out there, a beginner, and you have an highlighter, just try it. Try to apply it as your eyeshadow. You will love it. If the client doesn't like it, no problem, but just try to experiment this. You will understand what I'm saying. It gives a different feeling, it gives a different look, and it makes the eyes just look automatically so classy. So when I was done with that, I went into my Annie's Beauty eyeshadow palette and took a brown shade and just smoke under the eye, because I want the under eyes to be well smoked. Okay. See, if you have a very beautiful eyes, you don't know how you'll be feeling like a lady. It just boosts up your confidence. Like, you'll be looking all slayed and your eyes will be looking sexy. Okay, so I smoked the under lash line, and then I applied the pigment on the tear dot, which is the beginning part of her eyes. When I was done with that, I went into my Zaron mascara and applied mascara on the eyes. And then when I'm done with mascara application, I allowed it to dry down a bit before going in with my Tehila black gel liner. Check out the shine on the eyes. Don't you love what you are seeing? You know you love it. Let me know if you are going to be trying this out. Next off is my eyelash application. Okay, now you can see that the glossy eyes and the soft brows balance each other. Everything looks clean, fresh, and effortless. Okay, and then next off, I went in, took my razor blade, and just make sure that the water liner of the eyes, I lined it gently. Okay, guys, if you enjoy this tutorial, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let me know if you want more of beginner friendly breakdown like this. I've got you. Okay, just let me know. I'm here. I am here. Whatever type of eye look you want to see, let me know in the comment section and I will shoot that for you. This is the finished final look of the eyes. Glossy wet eye makeup tutorial and perfect eyebrow tutorial. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, stay positive, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.